Hey there, outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Today I've got a mouth-watering treat that's going to revolutionize your pizza game. But first, let me ask you this. Have you ever considered grilling pizza? If not, you're in for a delicious surprise. Hi, I'm Steve with Timber West Design. We specialize in building timber shade structures for outdoor living spaces. If this is your first time here, and you want to get inspiration for your outdoor living space, you can start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Have you ever tried grilling pizza before? If so, I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Please leave your stories and tips in the comments below. We're gearing up to grill a Papa Murphy's Take and Bake pizza on my trusty Kamado grill. Let's dive in and see how the magic happens. On my way to get some Papa Murphy's Take and Bake. Here we go. Some yummy pizza coming up here in a few minutes. Now the instructions might suggest popping this bad boy in the oven, but trust me, there's a better way. Grilling adds a smoky flavor and crispy texture that takes pizza to a whole new level. But I have a warning for you. Once you grill a pizza this way, you're never gonna bake one in your kitchen oven again. It all starts with the grill. I use a Kamado style grill that uses lump charcoal. Lump charcoal is a natural hardwood that has been cooked in a low oxygen environment to create hardwood lump charcoal. The grill I use is a Kamado style grill from Vision Grills. It has a vent system where you have a lower vent and you have an upper vent, and you open and close those vents to regulate the temperature. The smoke goes from the bottom up through the food and out the top to give you that great smoky flavor. I mostly just use the standard grate for grilling burgers and salmon, but for pizza I added the elevated grill to add some distance from the flame. I put the pizza stone on top, and to help avoid a hot spot in the middle, I add a pie tin on the lower level. The temperature is 400 degrees. Time to put the pizza in. I set the timer for 10 minutes. At 10 minutes, I rotate the pizza to make sure it cooks evenly. Set the timer for another 10 minutes. Time's up. Let's see how it looks. Looking good and smells even better. So good. So if you're ready to take your outdoor space to the next level, why not give us a shout? Head over to timberwestdesign.com. We can build you a custom-made kit that can be shipped to your city and installed by a local contractor. Stay tuned for more insights and videos. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming fun projects. Your dream outdoor sanctuary awaits, and I'm here to make it a reality. Until next time, thanks for watching.